Welcome to my channel. Flights Assistance Boeing Updates, 737 MAX Debut, and new A350 Route. Boeing 737 MAX Progress The Boeing 737 MAX has continued its gradual return to service globally. More airlines have reintroduced the aircraft to their fleets, with increased passenger confidence. However, Boeing still faces challenges in fully recovering from the MAX crisis, including ongoing regulatory scrutiny and the need to rebuild trust with airlines and the public. 787 Dreamliner production issues. Boeing has been working to resolve production quality issues with its 787 Dreamliner program. Deliveries were temporarily halted in 2021 due to manufacturing defects, and the company has been implementing enhanced inspection and production processes. The resumption of deliveries has been slower than initially anticipated, impacting Boeing's financial performance and market position in the widebody segment. 777X program delays. The Boeing 777X program has experienced further delays, with the first delivery now expected no earlier than 2025. This setback has implications for Boeing's competitiveness in the large widebody market, especially against the Airbus A350. The delays have also led some airlines to reconsider their orders or look at alternative options. A321XLR launch preparations. Airbus is making final preparations for the launch of its A321XLR, extra long-range, aircraft. This new variant of the popular A321neo is designed to fly up to 4,700 nautical miles, opening up new possibilities for long and thin routes. The A321XLR has garnered significant interest from airlines worldwide, with numerous orders and commitments already in place. A321XLR flight testing. The A321XLR prototype has been undergoing extensive flight testing to validate its performance and systems. Airbus has reported positive results from these tests, including the aircraft's fuel efficiency and range capabilities. The company is working towards achieving certification and entry into service, with the first deliveries expected in the near future. Airline interest in A321XLR. Airlines have shown strong interest in the A321XLR due to its potential to operate long-haul routes with a single-aisle aircraft. This capability allows carriers to serve secondary markets more efficiently and open up new point-to-point routes that were previously uneconomical with larger widebody aircraft. New A350 Route announcement. A major airline, specific airline to be determined based on recent announcements, has unveiled plans for a new ultra-long-haul route utilizing the Airbus A350. This route demonstrates the continuing trend of airlines pushing the boundaries of non-stop flying, leveraging the efficiency and range of modern widebody aircraft like the A350. A350 freighter development. Airbus has been making progress with its A350 freighter program, aimed at competing with Boeing in the lucrative cargo market. The company has secured orders from several cargo operators and is moving forward with the development of this new freighter variant, which promises improved efficiency and payload capacity compared to current generation freighters. Sustainable aviation initiatives. Both Boeing and Airbus have been intensifying their efforts in sustainable aviation. This includes research into alternative fuels, more efficient aircraft designs, and exploration of new technologies such as hydrogen propulsion. The industry's focus on reducing carbon emissions is driving innovation and shaping future aircraft development programs. Market recovery and future outlook. The commercial aviation market has been showing signs of recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, with increasing passenger numbers and aircraft orders. However, the recovery remains uneven across different regions and market segments. Both Boeing and Airbus are adapting their strategies to navigate this evolving landscape, balancing short-term challenges with long-term growth opportunities in the commercial aviation sector. This update provides a comprehensive overview of recent developments in the commercial aviation industry, focusing on Boeing's ongoing challenges and recovery efforts, the upcoming launch of the Airbus A321XLR, and the expansion of ultra-long-haul routes with next-generation aircraft like the A350. The industry continues to evolve, driven by technological advancements, changing market demands, and an increasing focus on sustainability. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.